first chief scientist in March 2019. A pediatrician from India and a globally recognized researcher on tuberculosis and HIV, she brings with her 30 years of experience in clinical care and research and has worked throughout her career to translate research into impactful programs. Dr. Soumya was Secretary to the Government of India for Health Research and Director General of the Indian Council of Medical Research from 2015 to 2017. From 2009 to 2011, she was also served as coordinator of the UNICEF, UNDP, World Bank, WHO, many special programs for research and training in tropical diseases in Geneva. She received her academic training in UK, India and the United States of America and has published more than 350 peer-reviewed publications and book chapters. She is an elected foreign fellow of the US National Academy of Medicine and a fellow of all 3 science academics in India. Our vision is to ensure that WHO is at the cutting edge of science and is able to translate our knowledge into meaningful impact on population health worldwide. Welcoming Dr. Soumya Swaminathan to felicitate our awardee of the evening.
My name is Srinivas Rao. I'm the president of Rotary Club of Madras East. Today we had the Dr. M.S. Swaminathan Research Foundation Environment Protection Award given by Rotary Club of Madras East, and we were glad to give this award to Mr. Rudy from Netherlands, who is chief scientist there. And this is the 26th award which Rotary Club of Madras East is giving, and we are indeed very proud. And we were very honored to have Professor Dr. Swaminathan's daughter, who is the chief scientist of WHO, Dr. Soumya, present for this award, and she felicitated the awardee, and it was a very prestigious event for us.
Rotary Club of Madras East சுற்றுப்புற சூழலுக்கு செய்கிற எல்லா வரிசையாக பண்ணுற ப்ராஜெக்டில் இந்த அவார்டு ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் வந்து இதில் எவ்ரி இயர் வந்து we used to give this award to prominent person in the agriculture industry and environment side. இந்த வருஷம் ரூடி நெதர்லாண்ட்ஸில் இருக்கவங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துருக்கோம். இது எம்எஸ் சுவாமிநாதனோட பர்த்டே அன்னைக்கு இந்த அவார்டு எவ்ரி இயர் நம்ம கொடுத்துட்ருக்கோம். ஸோ இது வந்து 26th award.
Thank you. Good evening. My name is Murli. I work as Executive Director at the M.S. Swaminathan Research Foundation. I have been with the foundation for more than a year now, and I am very honored to be in this occasion to witness the occasion where the M.S. Swaminathan Award was given to Dr. Rudy Rubingay. And I know Rudy Rubingay was one of the fine environmentalists, particularly worked in Africa in increasing the production of various crops, particularly the millets as well as pulses. And I am quite happy, and he very much deserves that award today, Professor Swaminathan. And I understand Professor Swaminathan and Rudy Rubingay had very high regards. Not only that, and they had working relationship for over 50 years. And I'm happy that this is happening today in our foundation, and I'm very thankful to Rotarians today, Dr. Srinivas Rao and Nachiyappan, who held this function in our office premises, and I'm extremely happy to be a part of this. Thank you very much.
Auspicious day of Dr. During this auspicious day of Dr. M.S. Swaminathan's birthday, which is tomorrow, which is his 96th birthday, at Rotary Club of Madras East, we have taken a huge project on the environment front. We are doing a massive nutrition garden which covers about 3 to 4 acres. The government of Tamil Nadu, Greater Chennai Corporation, is kind enough to give us a land, and Rotary Club of Madras East will collaborate with the M.S. Swaminathan Research Foundation to do this nutrition garden right opposite OMR near the railway station. And this is a very prestigious project for us, and we are very happy to launch this project today on the occasion of Dr. Professor's birthday. Thank you.